Hey everyone, in this video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between Lovable and Webflow. Two tools aim at helping you build beautiful and functional websites. One uses AI to generate entire apps from your ideas, and the other gives you pixel perfect design control. So which one is right for you? So let's break it down. So Lovable AI powered app and website builder. So design overview. It's for design for non-coders. Do you describe your app or website idea in plain English? And Lovable uses AI to generate the layout, logic, and backend. It's great for MVPs, internal tools, or SaaS style apps. While the strengths of Lovable is that it has super fast app generation using AI prompts. Also integrates with Supabase and other backend tools, and less need for UI UX knowledge. It handle that for you. And weaknesses over Lovable compared to Webflow. It has limited design customization. It's still evolving, so some features may feel in beta, and less control if you want highly detailed branded UIs. And that's it so for Lovable. So let's move on to Webflow, web design powerhouse. So an overview of Webflow. It's a visual development platform that lets you build responsive website without touching tool code, but still gives dev level customization when needed. So this is used for freelancers, businesses, and design pros. You know, the strengths of Webflow. It has full visual control over layout, typography, and animations. CMS support for blogs, portfolios, or product catalogs, and clean exportable code, HTML, CSS, and JS for dev handoffs. The weaknesses over Webflow, it has a higher learning curve, so if you're new to design and manual setup is required, no AI automation like Lovable, and can get pricey if as you scale or need for multiple sites. So which is the right for you? So if you want AI generated layout, go to Lovable. Don't go to Webflow. You don't want AI generated layout, and is also go for Webflow if you want full visual control. And Lovable is great for non-designers, but and up and logic is pretty good on Lovable also, and advanced animation is only on Webflow, and also has CMS and blog support, so that is Webflow also, and marketing sites and blogs and portfolios. So and other than that, some alternatives between these two includes Framer. So this one is very popular. It's great for middle for designers who want AI plus full control. So if you want AI and full control at the same time, it's like Webflow and Lovable combined. Use Framer. So Framer is like this. I don't have a really good layout right now, but this is it's just like Canva, but it's for website, so it's pretty good. You can I really like this one. And also we have Doric AI. It's similar to Lovable, so it's simpler than Webflow, more design focused than Lovable. So this is pretty good. You can try it for free after this video if you want to. And last but not the least, we have Bubble.io. So Bubble is a full no-code platform for building apps and workflows and logic. So this is pretty good. It's like Doric and Lovable. So I suggest using this if you want to. It's very similar in UI to Framer, so it's nice. And if you want to build a app or SaaS platform fast without coding, Lovable is a great pick. But if you want your focus to be pixel perfect design and control over your website's look and feel, Webflow wins hands down. So let me know in the comments below. Are you team AI speed or design freedom? So let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.